This is the men looking at.
JetBlue passenger Leora Levy has the pictures to prove she knew something was wrong when her flight took off from Westchester County Airport bound for West Palm Beach.
I felt the engine slow down, and I knew that jet engines have to keep going faster in order to climb, and we stopped climbing.
What Leora didn't know was that during takeoff, birds hit the nose of the plane. The pilot was communicating with the tower.
One took a direct hit right on the nose, just below the windshield. I do have a stuck bird, and just from my view, it appears that I do have a pretty big dent.
Moments later, the pilot calmly told the passengers what had happened. He would be landing the plane at JFK Airport.
Because there was some damage to the nose of the plane, he couldn't pressurize the cabin and he couldn't climb, and we were going to land at Kennedy.
Deborah Goldfarb was also on the flight. She took pictures of the plane with her cell phone. She says the pilot's calmness kept passengers at ease.
He was amazing. He just made everybody feel safe, and he said that there's been a bird strike and that we are going to be diverted to Kennedy. Everybody was calm. Nobody felt bad at any second. It was just everybody got off calmly.